Chinese vessels sa Kalayaan Island. What do you plan to do about the vessels, sir?
Kalayaan, sir?
Kalayaan Island.
Pag-asa po. Pag-asa Island. Kalawan, sir. Yung pong mga Chinese.
Yung mga Chinese vessels, sir.
I have yet to have a confirmation for that. Wala. Kasi otherwise the military would have informed me as urgent as what you are trying to say now.
Sir, may report po yung Western Command na from first quarter, January to March, meron pong namataan na 275 na mga Chinese vessels. And according to the Western Command, there are Chinese militia. They are on our Pag-asa Island, sir.
No, the Pag-asa Island belongs to us. Is that yung base natin? Of course, China would never do that. I assure you, unless China wants a war with us, hindi ako payag kung pati yung Pag-asa i-occupy nila. No, of course not.
Sir, meron po mga Chinese vessels. Ang sinasabi po ng Western Command, they are not fishermen, they are militia. Ibig sabihin, employed under the Chinese administration. They are there already, sir, as far as Western Command is.
Well, I said that is part of the conflict because they have gobbled up the whole of China Sea. Para sa kanila, kanila yan. So they feel free to roam around and do whatever, but they actually never harmed or arrested any Filipino. I am sure that it has something to do with the greater game of geopolitics. And it is not directed to us. And I assure you that if they kill or arrest people there who are Filipino, then that would be the time that we will have to decide on what to do.
Yung pong ating DFA said that the presence of the Chinese vessel is a violation of our sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction. Given that statement, sir, would you rather that China maybe move away from the area?
Ganito yan. There's a conflicting claim. We say that it's ours because of the economic zone that's given to us. Then they say that part of their territory. That's why there is a conflict, not only with us, but with the peripheral countries around China Sea. Now, kung gusto natin, we have two options. We drive them away by force. Or can we do that? Unless we want to commit suicide, if you go to war, the first step of China would be to launch his missile. In 7 minutes, it would arrive Manila. Because before you can make a fourth of your journey to where you want to go. It's not no need. We go into a compromise for the time being. Kasi hindi nga, if we go to war, or if there is a violent conflict, we would never win, and I would suffer beyond imagination. I would just go there and send my soldiers and policemen to be slaughtered. I am not prepared to do that.